Ledgerin Silifame from News 10. Studies warn children face greater risk from climate crisis.
Children born today are expected to suffer the worst effects of climate change, according to new international studies. Experts warn that urgent action is needed to protect future generations. A recent study published in the journal Nature shows that more than 50% of children born in 2020 will experience record-breaking heat waves in their lifetime. In contrast, only 16% of those born in 1960 face the same level of extreme heat. If global temperatures rise by 3.5 Celsius, a scenario scientists say is possible if no strong action is taken, over 90% of children born in 2020 may face such extreme conditions. Another report by Save the Children revealed that under a 2.7 temperature rise, 100 million of 120 million children born in 2020 could suffer from dangerous levels of heat. However, if global warming is limited to 1.5 Celsius, an estimated 38 million children could avoid this exposure. The same target would also help millions of children avoid extreme flooding, crop failures, and strong tropical storms. Even today, many children are already experiencing emotional distress because of climate change. A 2021 survey conducted by Hickman and colleagues, which included Filipino respondents, found that 84% of children were moderately worried about climate change. Around 60% were extremely worried, and many reported feeling anxious, sad, guilty, or angry emotions that are already affecting their daily lives. Experts emphasize that the climate crisis affects children in both physical and emotional ways and hits poorer countries the hardest. They urge governments to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and strengthen climate education to help children better understand and cope with the crisis. In the Philippines, groups like Save the Children Philippines are already working to help children prepare for a warmer climate while also empowering them to speak up and share their concerns. Climate advocates say that today's youth are the living messages we send to the future. Their hope is that the world will listen to those messages and act before it's too late.
Again, this is Ledgerin Silifame. Thank you for watching.